Hey everyone, I sure do miss seeing you all in school. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial video on how to access information that you're going to need for math class. Okay, so you're going to see Duncan Math on here, but if you're in Buddy or Naylor or Alexander's class, you'll be able to see some of these same things once I get them loaded up later this afternoon. But for now, I have everything loaded up into this course, and I am going to show you how to navigate through this, okay? So this should be the screen when you are in your math class. This should be what you see, okay? I want to start by showing you an assignment, okay? I've already posted the assignment for tomorrow. The way math class is going to work is you are going to see three things in here. There's a video explaining what to do. There's a note sheet, which you also have in the packet that you picked up yesterday. And then you have a copy of the assignment. Okay, so the video is going to give you some basic information on, like in this case, how to do exponents. Okay. Then if I pull up these math notes, you should see a sheet that looks like what you got in your packet yesterday with the notes on here. Okay, so you can pull that up there, or you can look in your packet. And then you also, if you pull up the assignment, this is the same sheet that's also in your packet. Okay, it is on here strictly so you know which page you should be doing. What you're going to actually do is solve the math problems on the paper that you have in your packet, and then you're going to submit it to me a different way. Okay? You're going to, over here on the right hand side where it says your work, you're going to click add or create. Okay? What you need to do is take a picture of your paper. So you're going to hold it up in front of your webcam just like you've been doing for science class all year. You're going to hold that up and you're going to take a picture with your camera on your Chromebook. From there, you can either, my suggestion would be to do Google Drive, because when you click on that, it's going to give you anything that you've done recently. Now, this is actually my daughter's email login so that I could show you what it looks like from the student side. But if you had a screenshot picture, it would be here under recent if you saved it in there. And then you also have the option of attaching a file. Okay, so if you select files from your device, that's going to show you my device pictures, but you should be able to locate here in your drive or under upload a picture that you have taken of your completed math assignment, okay? Once you've done that and you have added it either as a file or as a Google Drive upload, you're going to click Mark as Done, okay? I'm going to say mark as done because I didn't attach work. You guys won't get that on there because you will have attached something. But since I'm just having Sophia's page on here, she's not going to actually attach anything. Okay, so that's all you have to do to submit a math assignment. You can do that at any point before Wednesday, April 1st. Okay. And the reason you want to do it before the day it's due, and you can work on these at your own pace, but the reason you do it before it's due is because if I hop back over here, within your classroom, you're going to have my workshop schedule attached. This is times that I'm available for a workshop for you to join, or an office hour time for you to just either call or email me with questions. Okay, so you can see on Mondays and Wednesdays, those are the days that we do math, and your schedule might say that you're doing math between 9 and 9:30 or 9:30 and 10. That's actually not true for math. You can do your math at any point. You can even work ahead if you want to. However, our workshops start at 10, from 10 to 10:30. That's going to be a workshop on the math assignment. Okay, I'm going to record that workshop and I'm going to post it in the Google Classroom as well. But this is here for you to ask questions about the math assignment you're doing that day. So for tomorrow, April 1st is Wednesday. If you work on that assignment before 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to hold a workshop at 10 o'clock tomorrow to answer any questions about that homework assignment, okay? Then from 11 to 11:30, there's another workshop. This one is actually on red focus areas. Hopefully your teachers have explained to you that red focus areas can still be passed and help improve your grade. But all the focus areas that are due between now and the end of the year have been moved to challenge focus areas, and those won't impact your grade at all. So you can do those if you want, but it's not going to help or hurt your grade if you do not. But if you have any focus areas that are red, you're going to want to join this workshop at 11 o'clock so that we can talk about what needs to be done for those. Those are going to be handled through a Google form, which I will share with you when you are ready. And you can take those, and again, those will help improve your grade if you have a past due focus area. Okay? Then in the afternoon from 12:30 to 1, I'm going to hold another workshop on that math assignment. So you have two opportunities to join real time and ask questions, right? You have the 10 to 10:30 time, and then you have 12:30 to 1. Okay, and if you can't join during one of those times, it will be recorded for you to watch later, so hopefully that will help as well. But if you have a specific question, you want to try and join during one of those times so that you can ask that question. If it's something short and you don't need to see me face to face to be able to answer that question, feel free to email it to me as well if it's not during one of those two times. Okay, Tuesdays and Thursdays are for ELA and social studies, so that's why you don't see those on here. I won't be holding workshops on those days because that's ELA and social studies. They will be handling workshops on those days. Okay, so this is something that will be loaded up into your course here shortly. Okay, so this document, it'll stay in the thread. Okay, this is a thread here. See how it says stream up at the top? Okay, you might have to scroll down a ways to find it, but you can find this at any point in this stream section of your math class. All right, so that covers how to submit your assignments to me for math class, and that also covers how workshops and office hours work. I will be emailing out a link to my math class site. Okay, it is going to look something like this. There's information for your parents. Your parents actually got this link this morning. But there's also information for you. So you can see my email is down here on the first page. Also my phone number. You can feel free during office hours to either text me or give me a phone call if you have a question. And during that office hour time, I will be available to answer those calls or text messages. And you can also, again, email during those times. And then on student information, you'll find a link to your homeroom's Google Classroom. Okay. And then on the parent information tab, if you happen to lose that workshop schedule, that is going to be posted right there. Okay. And you can access that workshop schedule anytime through that Google site. I will email that to you soon, as well as post it to your Google Classroom. The other thing that you need to be checking Google Classroom for is the workshop codes for our meetings, our virtual meetings that we do. I will be posting those in the Google Classroom on the morning of. So tomorrow at 10:30, I'm going to have a workshop code that will be in the Google Classroom for you to pull up and join in that meeting. I will create another one for the focus area workshop and another one for the afternoon workshop on the math assignment. So there will be 3 different codes in there for you to join, depending on which one that you are going to be participating in. All right, I hope that this video finds you well and was informative for you on math class. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or give me a call during those office hours. See you guys soon.